the modifier that I got on Amazon by Godox. I love that they come with little bags for carrying. It's even got a little holder. So you can wear it like this if you want to, or you can just hold it like that if you want to. Or honestly, you can hold it like this if you want to. Just depends on your personal preference. But I just like that they come with bags. Inside here, you get this bad boy right here. Dang, it's trippy. And then also, the actual diffuser stuff. So this is cool because it's like a lantern softbox. It's gonna look like a ball when it's done. Never actually put this together yet, so we're learning together. Okay. So how does this work? Curious to know. I think it's supposed to lock. Hold on. Push it down. Like this. And it locks like that. See? So there's this metal thing in here that connects to this little guy right in there. And then, actually this might need to be on first. So I might have done that in the wrong order. Didn't actually come with instructions. And if it did, keeping this bag, I didn't see it. Nope. No instructions. You're supposed to know how to do it, I guess. So this is how you do it. Just gonna put this through it all the way first. And then it should balloon up perfectly. Let's try that again. Kind of hard to do because you can't really see. That's what it looks like. Lantern softbox. It looks really cool. And it's gonna create a really nice effect because of the way the light comes out of this orb, sphere, bulb thing. I don't know if you can see inside there, but that metal thing connects to this little hook on the bottom. You just push that down and connect it. And you make sure these Velcros are all connected to keep the light from leaking out. And that's about it. Then you just connect this onto a light and then onto a light stand and you're good to go. But yeah, I'm really excited about this because it's a lot different than my other soft boxes that I have. So I'm really excited to start using this in photo shoots. If you want to get yourself one, you know where to go.